They're 2 for 2. Let's see if they can go for the trifecta and catch the third Pepillo in the next hour. All right, a heads up for those with respiratory issues on the Big Island. The USGS says the wind has now shifted to the south, and they've received reports of Pele's hair some 15 miles downwind. Joining us this morning with some health tips is Dr. Janet Myers, pulmonologist at Kaiser Permanente, Hawaii. Good morning, Dr. Myers. How are you doing this morning?
Good morning. I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing excellent. Now, first off, what is Pele's hair and how dangerous is it?
So Pele's hair is produced when you have a volcanic eruption, and basically you can get these long, thin strands of glass, and they can be sharp and they can be dangerous. So I would look, don't touch, and try to, just stay away. Don't, especially kids who are maybe tempted to touch them. Be careful.
Now, how concerned should people be about the air quality on the Big Island right now, and who is most at risk?
Great question. So, of course, the young keiki are at risk because they've got young lungs, and of course our frail and elderly people as well. And then anyone who has a history of lung issues, for example. But it can also affect healthy people, irritating your eyes, your nose, and you can even get a sore throat or some lung problems as well.
Now, why are the fumes from the eruption so dangerous, and how do they affect people?
Another great question. So with a volcanic eruption, you can get ash as well as other particulate matter in the air. But you also worry about, especially the sulfur dioxide. These can combine to produce what we call VOG. And when you breathe that in and inhale it, it can be very disruptive. It can cause people to have problems breathing, even to the point where they might even need to go to the hospital.
Now, Dr. Myers, for people with lung or breathing issues, what can they do to mitigate the irritation?
So if you know that you have a lung problem and you have medications, I would right now make sure that you are up to date and that you're taking these medicines as directed. If you have rescue medicines, make sure you have them on hand so you're not scrambling to get them when you're in trouble and don't have them. So have your medications, try to use them as directed. But also, if you know that you're in an area that might be more affected, I would try to stay inside if you're going to exercise. Wear a mask if you have to go outside. If you're inside, run the air conditioner, and that might help as well. Most of Hawaii, though, is pretty good. We have fairly good air quality. But if you are in one of these areas, of course, be careful.
All right, there you have it, Dr. Myers from Kaiser Permanente, Hawaii. We appreciate your time this morning and those great tips. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.